Are you ready to unlock your solo success? In this video, we'll explore 10 techniques that every entrepreneur must know. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, these techniques will help you take your business to the next level. First, set clear goals. This is the foundation of your success. Define your vision and set specific, achievable goals that will guide your daily tasks. Second, master time management. Learn how to manage your time effectively to maximize your productivity and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Embrace technology. Use technology to your advantage to streamline your operations and free up your time to focus on more important tasks. Fourth, cultivate a strong personal brand. Your personal brand is your identity in the marketplace. Make sure it's strong and compelling. Network with fellow entrepreneurs. Build relationships with other entrepreneurs in your industry. They can provide valuable insights and support. Develop your sales skills. Learn how to effectively sell your products or services. This is essential for closing deals and growing your business. Prioritize continuous learning. Never stop learning. The world is constantly changing, and you need to be able to adapt. Maintain your discipline. Stay focused on your goals, and don't be distracted by the competition. Use social media to your advantage. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your business and connecting with potential customers. And finally, focus on customer satisfaction. Happy customers are the key to your success. Make sure you provide excellent customer service to build loyalty and encourage repeat business.